Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to position form fields in Jotform. If you're building forms and want complete control over where each field appears, whether stacking them vertically or placing them side by side, this tutorial will show you exactly how to arrange everything the way you need it. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are managed and created. Now look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it to begin building a new form. This opens up several options for how you'd like to start your form creation process. From the menu that appears, click on Form, then select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas to work with. Next, choose Classic Form, which is the standard form builder that provides full flexibility for positioning and customizing your fields. Once your form editor loads, you'll notice a left panel with various options. Click on Add Element to access all the available form fields you can insert. For this example, let's start by selecting full name and adding it to your form preview area. This places the field directly onto your form canvas. Now here's where positioning begins. To move a field around, simply click and hold it, then drag it to wherever you want it to appear in the form preview. This drag and drop functionality makes it easy to organize your form layout visually. If you want to place fields side by side, rather than stacked vertically, click on the field you just added. Then click the gear icon, which opens the Properties panel. Navigate to Advanced, and you'll see an option labeled Shrink. Toggle this to On. What this does is reduce the field's width so it no longer takes up the entire row, making room for other fields beside it. To add another field on the same line, repeat the shrink process for any additional fields you want aligned horizontally. Jotform will automatically position them side by side once shrink is enabled for each one. Let's add another field to demonstrate this. Click Add Element again, then select Email and drop it onto the form preview. To place this email field next to your full name field, click on the email field, then click the gear icon to open Properties. Go to Advanced and toggle Shrink to On just like before. The fields should now appear side by side. Here's a helpful tip for repositioning multiple fields at once. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each field you want to move. This selects them all together. Then you can click and drag the entire group to reposition them anywhere on your form. This is especially useful when you've already arranged fields side by side and want to move them as a unit. And that's it. You now know how to position and arrange form fields in Jotform, whether you're stacking them or placing them side by side for a more compact layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.